Hey fishing fans, this is Debbie Hansen for TakeMeFishing.org. Kayak fishing can be a relaxing and fun way to wet a line. Due to the portability and easy launch characteristics of a kayak, it's also a great way to reach less pressured waterways. If you're new to kayak fishing, don't worry, it's easy to learn. Here are a few kayak fishing tips and guidelines to help you get started. Select the best type of kayak for the waterways you plan to fish. You want to consider size and you want to consider width. Most fishing kayaks are between 10 and 14 feet. Shorter kayaks are easier to maneuver and they're good for lakes or backwaters, but aren't as fast as the longer models. Those longer models are going to be better for large lakes or if you're kayak fishing out on the ocean. As far as width, remember that wider kayaks are going to offer you more stability, while narrower kayaks allow you to paddle faster. When selecting a fishing kayak, make sure that there's enough room on board for rod holders and also plenty of storage for your tackle. Practice paddling. If you haven't fished from a kayak before, you want to practice paddling and navigating your kayak on a familiar waterway close to home. This way you can get experience and confidence on the water before bringing your fishing gear and your rods aboard. Be sure to carry a whistle on board your kayak. That way if you need to get someone's attention, you can just clip it to your PFD and it's right there in the event that you need to use it. Use a paddle leash. Check to see if your kayak comes with a paddle leash. If not, consider buying one so that your paddle stays secured to a cleat or eyelet while you're fighting a fish. When you're kayak fishing, use a rod that's 6 foot 6 inches or longer. The extra rod length is going to help you control fish and easily maneuver it around the kayak or any other obstacles. For more fishing tips or to find a few great kayak fishing spots near you, head on over to TakeMeFishing.org.